dedicate this right here, to all my women who going through a struggle. You know I can't understand. I ain't immune to the type of pain you've been exposed to. So this one right here, I'ma represent for each and every one of y'all. Yeah, this go to my single mothers, raised in a house full of kids. Even the ones who've been beat up and abused, raped and left alone. You know even the babies out here having babies. I understand it's a part of reality. Even my women don't lie, all for protecting them. He said he'd never touch you again. He left you praying for the Lord to get with you. 1,000 tears leaving your face for every time that he hit you. Still so far from happy days, but nowhere close to a smile. Trying to deal with the fact he did this shit in front of your child. Everything inside of your heart telling you pack up and go. But the hardest thing out your life is trying to walk out that door. Cause once you leave, you know it ain't no turning back. You gotta move on. Don't worry about the stress, and deep inside, know that you strong. God said you a queen, therefore you gotta put that shoe on and walk in it with pride for all the pain and hurt that you show. Come on, past situations got you with your head lower, looking at the girl in the mirror, but you swear you don't know her. They say struggling makes a woman at a faster rate. Even if she physically damaged, it make her spirit great. You need a chance, a real nigga step into the play to get you out of home before it's too late. Baby girl, dry your eyes, you gotta try to keep it together. They told me pain don't last forever. Instead of raining tears away the day, you gotta pray it get better. The sun gon' shine on you no matter the weather. It ain't a day to come that I don't wanna see you smile. I know you on the road that won't be ending for a while. I'ma holler